If you guys don't know this, white beards are the hardest to manage, and this is why most guys stay uncomfortable. You see, white beard hair doesn't lay down, it explodes and it dries out extremely fast, which causes irritation and can get very itchy at times. And when it grows unchecked, it starts to push the face outward, making it look longer, puffier, and heavier than it really is. That's exactly what is happening here. So my father-in-law didn't want his beard too short, he didn't want to shave it off, he just wanted it clean and comfortable and controlled. And that's a mistake that most barbers make. They cut white beards like dark beards. Okay, so with white hair, moisture comes first. Hot towel, proper product, slow trimming. I cleaned up the bottom, removing the hanging weight. That instantly tightened up the face shape, and the mustache was also heavy, so I brought it down, tight to the lip, cleaner look, heavy longevity, less irritation. So when you control the bottom and soften the texture, the beard stops fighting the face. So finishing off, I want you to remember this. When you control the bottom and soften the texture, the beard stops fighting the face. So if you got a white beard and it feels itchy, messy, out of control, save this and show your barber. White beards don't need more cutting, they need more understanding.